Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Yeah, we show y'all our receipt out here.
Like we ain't paid for it.
Receipt.
So y'all got us out here like we. I don't gotta show y'all my receipt.
You got it in your hand.
I don't gotta show y'all my receipt.
Sir, you're not leaving just yet.
It's bought. It's paid for. Why he came?
Per policy at Walmart.
It ain't no policy that I got. There is no Walmart policy that I gotta show her my receipt, and I don't want to show her my receipt. I don't have to show her my receipt.
Then you will not take these items with you home.
Oh, yes, I will.
Ma'am, we were already here. They just notified us that they need to verify your receipt. That is all.
Why? Why? I ain't gotta show y'all my receipt.
Ma'am,
I ain't gotta show y'all my receipt.
every customer that walks through this exit has to show their receipt.
No, I don't have to.
Go viral.
Long as I paid for it, I don't have to.
Go viral. Yeah. It be like that sometimes.
What else has
I mean, I know you gotta.
No, it ain't no policy. It ain't Walmart policy. And it definitely ain't Walmart policy for y'all to have these polices out here around me like this talking about a policy.
Ma'am, all we gotta do is show your receipt. That's all.
But I don't want to. I don't want to.
Then, unfortunately,
That's y'all job to go in there and verify it.
no, ma'am.
And so you telling me right now that if I don't show this receipt, I can't take my TVs?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you telling me that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to hear her say it. So I have to show you my receipt. I can't
Yes, ma'am. The reason why you have to show us that receipt is because of the high dollar items that you have, and they can't fit in the bag.
Okay.
Anything that can fit in the bag.
So it's y'all policy that it's a must that I show you my receipt.
Like,
So I can't, and if I don't show y'all my receipt, I can't walk out the door without. I can't walk out this door without my stuff, without showing you
and
my
you can
receipt.
call 1-800-WALMART.
I am gonna call them.
Thank you.
I am gonna call them. There go my receipt right there. I am gonna call them because y'all got all these police officers around me.
But they was already up here for
about some
another
TVs.
situation. And
But
then
no, because they approach
stuff
me.
like this.
They approach me. Why? Because I'm black. I can't buy 3 TVs.
No, if you was a white
Can I
or
get
any
my
other
receipt?
color,
on,
then you
ma'am.
would
Why
get.
I can't get my receipt yet?
Ma'am, this is not
You
a
just
race.
told me to show you my receipt.
This is not a race thing. I'm black. She's black. This is not a race
It don't
thing.
matter. It don't
not racing at
matter.
all.
So now you telling me I can't get my receipt back?
Sometimes people just need to go viral.
Facts, big facts. Because I knew this was gonna happen. I told him that. I got 1.4K views right now. What that say?
My thing is, I'm
What
not
they say?
understanding why. I just want to know why you feel like it's a racist because we asked for a receipt.
This is embarrassing. This straight embarrassed me.
Hey, if you want a video Facebook.
This straight embarrassed me.
Like you said, you're already here before. They just notified us.
Let's go. Oh, don't worry about it. My lawyer would see this.
Viewers and subscribers, why is it necessary for a police officer or police officers to be security checking outside of a store? Why is it that so many people have problems with authorities? Is it that this lady is doing too much, right? Meaning that she's doing things that is not necessary towards a situation. You get what I'm saying to you? So those are all the questions being asked pertaining to this video of a lady that is being asked to show her receipt, right, for some form of verification at the door by police officers as a form of security measures. Social media have if you say that this lady is doing too much, and some people, as always, you know, when things like this happen, once it involves the police, they are going to be like, it's racism and so forth. Yes, I say. But really and truly, viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look on this and tell me the truth, what you really think about it. Because normally, and this is my experience now, yes, I say, normally when I go to stores, like many stores, you know, they normally always do spot checks and all these things, you see me? And to be honest, them not only do the spot check because they might think that you, the person buying, is some form of criminal or so forth. But sometimes mistake make. You see me I say? And not only some mistake is made, but some of the times, you know, some of the times like people can do some things like there are certain things like, say for instance, you have a friend and your friend go buy something at a store, but the person working in the store, no, them a friend, so them just throw one extra item in a them bag and that just slip gone out because what, the cashier is the friend, so the cashier just throw something in it. You see me? Remember, it's a business and anybody would want to protect them business, so these measures would be taken for that purpose. You see me I say? But anyways, now we'll talk about the topic of this lady. This lady thinks that they are doing this on purpose because of the fact of her, you know, of who she be. You know, she's saying that it is racism and all these things. As I say, some people on social media say that she's doing too much, right? That means to say that what she's doing is not necessary and so forth, yada yada. That's what they're basically saying on social media, alright? That's some people on social media. But the other hand, you know, just as normal, enough people on social media, just like I said, would often say racism or them just directly have a problem with the law, you know, and a lot of people have a problem with authorities, you know, we don't want to be in school, whatsoever you name it, you see it. But anyways, I bring this for you, my viewers, to take a look on it and tell me what you think. Alright, so as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and always read the comments, right, to keep up to date to each post, you know, because sometimes viewers and subscribers will leave some very informative comments, right, and can be very, very good to learn from. Alright, and I'm not talking comments that are going to be trying to disrespect anyone or anything of authority. I'm talking about good, positive comments. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, my people. You see it.